Hi, I'm Robert, and today I'm working in the quality control, where we check over cars for imperfection, edges, overspray, any like scratches from other areas that we haven't attended to. Just make sure that the car's clean and gleaming, ready for the customer to pick it up. So for edges, for instance, we use 1500, which is quite coarse to get rid of the lacquer edge. Then we go over it with 3000 just to help us shine it back up again. For imperfection wise, we look if there's any speck of dirt that's in the paint that needs to go down, get rid of. We do the same process like we do to get rid of the edges. And if we spot anything that's not been done properly, like scratches or there's still a bit of a dent, then it goes straight back in through the whole process again before it gets its final QC, and then the customer can pick it up.
The final stage, and perhaps the most important one, is to collect your car. Now this can take place either here at Hilton Coachworks HQ in Bishop Stortford or at any of our dealership sites. One of the team members will give you a ring and arrange a time for you to come down and collect your car, and they'll also show you the repairs that have taken place. Once you're happy with the condition of your car, you'll be asked to sign a collection note.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that's it. The key and the car is yours. Job done.